Today I'm going to be showing you Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy 10X Duty Laundry Detergent. This is a 4.55 liter container and it's meant for 100 loads of laundry. They do have this Tide brand in a variety of sizes, so you can get a smaller container if you want to. The back side here gives you instructions on how to dispense the Tide detergent. So right here is where you dispense the detergent, and there is a cup that you can use, and you measure based off of the type of load of laundry you're doing. So a medium load is going to require less detergent than, say, a large load or a full load. So they really give a lot of great detailed instructions. I love the dispensing cap, and I love how Tide cleans my clothes. My clothes always come out clean, and I highly recommend this to others.